In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website using absolutely free method, and it will be built up with WordPress. So let's get started. First, I'm going on this website. You can see penton.io. This link I will attach in my video description for easy access. Just go here, then click you are redirect to this website. You can see this is a really good. Just click on get started. You need to log in here with your Gmail. Once you have done login here, you can see this is a dashboard. Now if you have already website here, just click on new, create a new site. Then I want to create a website using WordPress. So just select WordPress number 1. So now you need to choose your website name. So I select Kalam Khan BD. This is my website name. You can choose any others as you available. Just click on continue. You need to choose your country, so I select United States. Here is the 4 country only available. You can choose anyone, this doesn't matter actually. Okay, once you have done it, visit your Python site dashboard. Just click on here. Now just click on site admin. If you visit your website, just click this here. So I'm click those two here. So you need to choose a language here. So I select English. This is good for me. Then subtitles. So I select Kalam Khan. This is my site title. So now choose a username. So for login, so I select this one, and this is my password for admin access. So I select here. Once you have done it, now write your email, then click on install WordPress. So I skip to type here for, so just login. You can see I found my WordPress dashboard. Now you can install and post and anything here. It's absolutely for free. So I'm using now appearance then theme because I want to install a theme here. So just click on add a new theme. When you click here, you can see this is a option. Just clear here are Astra theme are very popular, and lots of people already install and use this theme because this is very easy for customization, beginner friendly, and low price, etc. But I'm using free. So now just go to let's start it with starter template. So just activating here, let's processing. So I'm waiting few seconds for this one. Okay, once you have done, here are the 2 options. Number 1 AI website builder, number 2 classic starter template. So I choose number 2 option. Then here are the lots of theme available, free and paid. So I choose free. So just click on all premium. So I am writing brand store. Oh, this one I am charging this one because this is a e-commerce website I want to create. So just click on, you can see this is a demo. Wow, good. Just click on continue, then select your font, site logo. If you want to upload now, just click here. So I'm not interested, I want to add later. So all the step I skip it. Now you need to write about yourself something here. So wow, congratulations, my website are ready for view. So I want to just click dashboard and visit your website. Just click on visit your website or view or your website. You can see this is a very fantastic website I already created using WordPress and free domain and hosting for lifetime. So this link I will attach in my video description for inviting. I invite you everybody for visit here. So just if you want to customization, this one and this title and this price, then star, then photo and logo, everything are customization. So these all things I will add later and to another video. If you want to watch those type of video, you need to subscribe this channel and like this video. So see you next video. Take care. Goodbye.